In this scenario, I've trained and validated this model on a specific segment of the housing market. So I'm going to add this validation step that specifies that all predictions made by this model should be less than 1.5 million. I've not validated this model for house prices higher than 1.5 million, and therefore I want to flag any results to that effect that come from my model. Any violations of this rule will show up as a check failure in my inference results. I can see in my initial test, this prediction is well below this range, and so there's no check failures logged. But if I run another data point here, we can see that the prediction is around 1.6 million, and that's going to violate this rule, so I can see a check failure is logged here. To get a sense of how this looks at scale, I can run more data through this endpoint. Endpoints stood up by Wallaroo are fully enabled for both real-time and batch inferencing, and so I can easily just send a larger data frame to the endpoint. Wallaroo will parallelize the inferences to the greatest extent possible and will return the inference results to me in a batch. Once I have these results, I can plot them so that I can see roughly how many anomalies I have in the batch.